Have you been wondering how to create AI videos for your Faceless YouTube channel? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to show you the best all-in-one AI video generator I've ever used. What makes this tool truly amazing is that it allows you to create videos completely from scratch, with full creative control. And here's the best part, you can generate videos up to 30 minutes long. Yes, you heard that right, 30 full minutes. But it gets even better. This AI makes it easy to maintain consistent characters throughout your long-form videos, which is a game changer for storytelling. You can even upload your own images and bring them to life using their Animate Pro feature, the most powerful image animation tool I've ever used. The name of this magical tool, Magic Light AI. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create stunning videos using Magic Light AI. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Now, let's get started. So this is the website of Magic Light AI, and I am going to put the link in the description. And if we scroll down, it is written where you can generate up to 30 minutes video, just with this AI. So, to start creating our video, let's click on Start for free. Then you will be directed to this place, which all the magic happens. So we need to log in, so click on the login button. And there are 3 ways to log in, which is using your Gmail account, Discord account, or other email you have. So I am going to log in with my Gmail account. So after signing up, Magic Light AI gives you 300 credits for you to start for free. And the best part about this AI is, there will be no watermark on your videos. So if you scroll down, you will find video tutorials and projects by other users. And you can use them as inspiration for your own videos. And let's move to how to create your video. So you can find 2 huge buttons here, which the first one is Create AI Video, and the second is Create AI Character. Click on Create AI Videos and I am going to show you how to create the AI character later in the video. You will be directed to this page and, as you can see, there are 4 steps in creating the video. When you come to the left side of this page, you can choose the aspect ratio you want depending on where you will post. 16:9 for YouTube video, and 9:16 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And also you can select the language you want. And also there are a lot of styles like 3D cartoon, Ghibli and kids story for your video. And if you come to the bottom, you can select the video duration you want, and I recommend you upgrade to generate longer videos. And you can use the Smart Script, and Magic Light AI gives you ideas for your videos, and you can also refresh for more captivating videos ideas. And with the basic script you will paste your script here, and if you have no script, you can go to ChatGPT and ask to generate stories for you. And if you get what you want, just copy and paste it in the script box. Now choose the style, language, and the aspect ratio you want, then click on Next. So for the style I will choose suspense, then for the language I will stick with English, then I will choose landscape for this video, which is 16:9. Then click on Next. So your script will be analyzed and arranged properly according to the story. And when it's done, click on Next to move to the next step. Wait for a while for Magic AI to analyze your story. And now we move to the second step, which is creating our AI characters, and based on my script I have to create 2 characters. So let's click on the first one. Then Magic Light will give you a lot of characters to use for free. But if you want to create your own, click on Create. And as you can see, the name, gender, category is already selected. And also you can type in your prompt here on how you want your character to look like. You can also add your own images for your character, and make your images follow these requirements. And when you're done, click on Generate Image. So I am going to use the pre-made characters for my video. So these are the characters I selected, so click on Next and let's move to the next step. In this step, which is the storyboard, Magic Light AI will generate all the images according to the scenes, so wait for a while for it to be generated. When your images has been generated, go through all the images generated, and Magic Light gives you the control to regenerate images to see if that's what you want. And if you are not satisfied, you can regenerate your images using the Regenerate button. So let's add a voiceover, so I will set my voiceover speed to 0.9. Then you can choose any voice that you want to use.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
So now let's move to how you can animate your images, and to do that click on the animate button. So you will have 3 options to animate your images, and I have tried all of them and recommend you use Animate Pro, cause it's the best among them and also consume less credits. And you can also come to this place and you can animate all your images at once, but you have to upgrade to use this feature and it's worth your money. Now select Animate Pro and click on Confirm, then wait for your image to be animated. And you have to do it for all the remaining images. And when you are done, click on Next, and this is the final step. So under Cover Settings, you can select any of them, but I will select No Title. Then select Subtitle Settings, and choose any subtitle style you want. Then move to Background Music and you can use any song you want, and make sure it matches your story. And when you are done, set the volume to 10, so the background music won't overpower the voiceover. Now click on Generate, confirm your aspect ratio and click on OK. So wait for a while for your video to be generated.
History. So when they found the old Victorian manor in Raventon.
So if you like the video and want to download, just click on the download icon here to download your video. So now let's talk about the subscription plan, and to my surprise, their prices are affordable for an AI that can generate up to 30 minutes of video, and this AI is definitely worth your money. So if you want to subscribe, I am going to put my affiliate link in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only recommend tools I genuinely use and believe will bring value to you. Your support helps me keep creating helpful content like this. Thank you. And that's how you can create stunning, long-form AI videos from scratch using Magic Light AI. I hope this tutorial helped you get a clear idea of what's possible with this powerful tool. If you're ready to try it out, don't forget to check the link in the description. It's my affiliate link, and using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this on AI tools, tutorials, and automation hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.